Saint Flo admitwa ku Corporate 24 Hospital uye haasi kugona kutaura. Vamutarise vapa an official statement. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Kune vaya vanofarira manovels andei kuzimshona novels or the novel narrative. Regai tinzo kuti vamutarise vati kudii. Good evening, family. I've just received some news about Saint Flo music, and since I know many of you here love him as much as I do, I felt it's only right to share this with you. I'm heartbroken. A few minutes ago, my Santa texted me to let me know that Saint has been admitted at Corporate 24 Hospital, is not feeling well, and is currently unable to speak. I spoke to him right after his performance at Gwanzura Stadium, and he told me Kuti he was battling a strange fever. I asked him to call me the next day so we could go to the hospital together, but Saint being Saint, he never called, and I assumed he had recovered. When I reached out again yesterday, he said he was still not well, but was about to go to the clinic, and silly me, I believed him. Those who know us know we both hate hospital visits and only go when it's really bad. Doctors have started running the necessary tests. Though I'm currently out of the country, I'm comforted knowing he's in good hands with Bev by his side and under the care of a great medical team at Corporate 24. Let's all keep Saint in our prayers, and please, no calls or visit for now. Bev promised to keep me and all of you updated as things progress. I'll be heading back home tomorrow. Ndiwo mashoko avamutarise aiwa vari kuti ivo mukomana akanonoka zvake kuenda kuchipatara. Pamwe unongoti kuti aiwa ndichaita nani. Tiri kungona matara kuti isava covid because paakaenda kugwanzura uko achinosangana nevanhu vakawanda. Covid yadzoka uye yadzoka zvine moto. But we wish him a speedy recovery. May he get well soon. Ma socialites ese vauya vana Chihera, Nijo, the DJ, Patricia, Fredzi, vese vana Mugove vana Hatiperi vari kuti aiwa get well soon my brother. Hatiperi ari kuti ngatitei kavara tipore, tinonida kulauncha video. Azinhle Gradwell ati haasi kufila zvakanaka zvachose nekuti ndiye mudzimai waSaint wekutanga ari kuti paari zvekunzi kwaye asafone haasi kukwanisa kushinga. Ndofunga achatobata mai Santa kuti anzwe kuti mukomana aswera sei. Tongoramba tinamata guys kuti zvifambe zvakanaka. Please do leave your comments on kurwara kwaita bamunini.